Best Power Tools for 2023. Empower your projects. Welcome back to our channel, where we review the best power tools of 2023. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the most top-rated power tools available on the market right now. We'll provide you with detailed information and our honest opinion to help you make an informed decision. So, let's dive right in. DEWALT DCD771C2. First up, we have the DEWALT DCD771C2. The DEWALT is a powerful and compact drill driver that is perfect for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. It features a high-performance motor that delivers a maximum torque of 300 unit-watts-hour (UWO), ensuring it can handle even the toughest tasks. The drill's lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use for extended periods without causing fatigue. With its 2-speed transmission, users have the flexibility to choose between high-speed drilling and high-torque applications. The DEWALT also comes with two 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries, providing long-lasting power and minimizing downtime. Whether you're working on a construction site or tackling a home improvement project, this drill driver is a reliable and versatile choice. Overall, the DEWALT DCD771C2 is a top-notch power tool that offers excellent performance, durability, and versatility. Its compact size and powerful motor make it a must-have for any toolbox. Jar Owl. Next on the list is the Jar Owl. The Jar Owl is a game-changing tool that combines three essential power tools into one compact and versatile device. It functions as a reciprocating saw, jigsaw, and orbital sander, allowing for a wide range of cutting, shaping, and sanding tasks. The reciprocating saw attachment is perfect for cutting through various materials, such as wood, metal, and plastic. The jigsaw attachment offers precise and intricate cuts, making it ideal for detailed work. The orbital sander attachment provides a smooth and even finish on surfaces. With its interchangeable attachments and powerful motor, the Jar Owl saves time, space, and money. DEKOPRO. Moving on, we have the DEKOPRO. The DEKOPRO cordless drill driver is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. This versatile tool features a 21+1 position torque clutch, allowing you to adjust the torque to suit different applications. With its variable speed trigger, you can easily control the drilling speed to achieve precise results. The DEKOPRO drill driver is powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, providing ample power for various tasks around the house. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle, even in tight spaces. Additionally, it comes with a built-in LED light that illuminates your work area, ensuring visibility in dark corners. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable drill driver, the DEKOPRO is worth considering. In conclusion, the DEKOPRO cordless drill driver offers impressive performance at an affordable price. It's a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners who want a reliable tool without breaking the bank. CRAFTSMAN V20. Now let's talk about the CRAFTSMAN V20. The CRAFTSMAN V20 is a high-quality brushless drill driver that delivers exceptional power and efficiency. Its brushless motor provides a longer runtime and improved performance compared to traditional brushed motors. With its 2-speed gearbox, you can easily switch between high-speed drilling and high-torque applications. The drill driver features a 1/2-inch keyless chuck, allowing for quick and easy bit changes. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The CRAFTSMAN V20 also comes with two 20-volt lithium-ion batteries and a charger, ensuring you always have a backup power source. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient drill driver, the CRAFTSMAN V20 is a solid choice. To sum it up, the CRAFTSMAN V20 is a high-performance drill driver that offers durability, power, and convenience. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this tool won't disappoint. BLACK+DECKER BD4 Kit CDC RL. Up next is the BLACK+DECKER BD4 Kit CDC RL. The BLACK+DECKER is a comprehensive power tool combo kit that includes a drill driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw, and work light. The drill driver features a 1/2-inch chuck and a powerful motor that delivers up to 300 UWO of power. It offers 2 speed settings for precise control over drilling and fastening tasks. The circular saw is equipped with a high-torque motor and a 5.5-inch blade, allowing for efficient cutting through various materials. The reciprocating saw offers a tool-free blade change system, making it easy to switch between cutting applications. Lastly, the work light provides bright illumination for improved visibility in dark work areas. If you're in need of a versatile power toolkit, the BLACK+DECKER is an excellent choice. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER offers a complete set of power tools that cover a wide range of tasks. It's a great option for those who need multiple tools and want to save money by purchasing them in a kit. DEWALT DCD771C2. Last but not least, we have the DEWALT DCD771C2. The DEWALT is a compact and powerful combo kit that includes a drill driver and an impact driver. The drill driver features a half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck and a high-performance motor capable of delivering up to 300 UWO of power. It offers 2 speed settings and 15 clutch settings for precise control over drilling and fastening tasks. The impact driver delivers up to 1,450 in-pounds of torque, making it ideal for driving screws and fasteners with ease. Both tools in the kit are powered by 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries, providing long-lasting power and quick charging times. If you're in need of a versatile combo kit that can handle various tasks, the DEWALT is an excellent choice. To wrap it up, the DEWALT DCD771C2 combo kit offers exceptional performance, durability, and versatility. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this kit will undoubtedly meet your power tool needs.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.